today I'm going to show you how to change the daytime running lights or the high beam on this 8th generation Honda Civic. This is for the coupe model. It may be similar procedures for the sedan also, but the daytime running light or the high beam is going to be this center piece, or this part right here. And so what we're going to do first is we'll just raise the hood up to the second level here, make it a little bit easier to access back there. Also, don't forget to wear gloves. You don't want to touch the brand new bulbs with your finger because the oil on your fingers can transfer to the bulb and it may damage it. So now we'll go to the back of the headlight, and that blue connector right there, that is what we will be taking out. So what we'll do here is we will spin it counterclockwise. Should be only about less than a quarter of a turn, just like that. You should be able to pull it out. So what you're going to do here is you'll press the button, this little tab down here, and then pull the bulb out. Now if you haven't changed one for a while, it may be a little bit difficult to pull it out, so just giving you a little heads up. And what we'll do now is we'll put in the new bulb. So this is the new bulb, the 9005. Be careful, try to avoid touching the bulb if you can. So what we'll do here is we'll connect it just like that onto the connector, push it until it snaps into place, and then we're gonna push it in just like this orientation, like that, and it should be flushed in. And when it's in, you're gonna turn it clockwise. So if it doesn't turn, you gotta like change the orientation a little bit until it's flushed in with the back of the headlight. And just like that, and you should tug on it a little bit, but now that should be good. And what we'll do is we'll test the light. Since this car is a manual transmission, what we'll do here is to test to see if the lights are working. What you'll do is you'll step on the brake, you'll release the parking brake, and then you'll turn the key to the second position, which is just 2 clicks. And then now you see that the light is on, and now we'll check to see if the high beams are going to be working. So this one looks like it's working. Now to replace the bulb on the driver's side, what you'll be doing is you'll be we're going to loosen the battery tie down. You don't have to take out the battery, you're just going to loosen the tie down. So here's the tie down, we'll just take it out. That little hook on the bottom, and then we'll go to the other side, and here's the other side there. You should be able to just loosen it from the top right there. I think that's good enough, and just pull it out. That's good enough. And take out the tie down and put it to the side. And then what we'll do is now we'll just take out this reservoir here because it's blocking the back of the headlight. So we'll loosen the cap, and you probably want to get some sort of you'll probably loosen the cap, and then we'll probably want to get something to cover that. Then now to take out the reservoir, all you have to do is just pull the reservoir up. And then just put it put it aside somewhere. And here you can see this blue connector. Let me see if I can get a better angle on that for you. This blue connector here is what you will be taking out. What you're going to do is the same thing as the other side. You're just going to press on the tab. If you can pull it out, you can press on the tab and pull it down. Otherwise, you'll just turn it counterclockwise. Just maybe less than a quarter turn. And then it should come out, and then pull it out. Okay, so you're going to press on the tab and then pull out the bulb. And as you can see here, he's struggling. So it is a little tight. Okay, and now we'll just put in the new bulb. Okay, so we got the new bulb. Again, be careful not to touch the glass part of the bulb. So we're going to plug it back in. It should snap into place. And then let's insert it into the back of the headlight. And it should be less than a quarter turn. Okay, and just turn it clockwise to tighten it, less than a quarter turn, and we are good. So now we'll test to see if the lights are working. Again, this is a manual, so what he has to do is you're gonna have to step on the brake, release the parking brake, and then turn the key 2 clicks to the second position. And then now let's test to see if the high beam works. Yep, it's all good. Note that, yes, that section right there is going to go to that right there. So all you're going to do is you're just going to push down on it. You may take a couple of tries before it snaps into place, just like that. Put the hose back in. Okay, make sure the cap, you spin it back in, and then we'll put the battery tie down.
So you're gonna get those little hooks down there. Let's see if that.
So the hook should go just like that on that side, and then this one right there, just like that, and then we'll just tighten it. Now you are done. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up if this video was helpful.